Good morning, guys. Raven here from my car, of course. I am just dropped my children off at school, and I am here at a new thrift store, new to me. I've never been here before, so I'm going to see what they have here. If I like, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna see. Of course, I'm blurry. Whatever, you just have to take the blur. That was easy. Anyway, yes, I'm gonna go in here and see what they have in this thrift store. The baby's with me, so they'll be coming in with me, and I don't know if I'm gonna film inside. I get really I don't know, I have to feel it out and see if I'm gonna film. So if I do film, you'll be able to see inside. If not, of course, I will show you what I bought. So let's go. You reading your book? I was reading my book. My sister, of course, is sleeping. They always take turns. Everyone always asks me, do they take turns sleeping? And the answer is most of the time, yes, they do. So of course I'm waking her up, but it's just a morning cat nap, so it's okay. They'll take another nap later on. So this is actually the time I usually would be at the gym, and here I go talking. I'm supposed to be getting them out the car, so let me go ahead and get them. Okay, not having much luck here. I've been here for about 5 minutes, and I have these items, which aren't like great, but they're okay. I'm gonna look at like some bags and things like that. They have cameras and stuff like that here. Let's see. I don't know. I don't really, I'm not into this. It's a JCPenney lens. I guess they used it for like, I don't know, at JCPenney. I've seen this at like yard sales before, that brand. But yeah. Tripods. They're coming in on shoes. I'm talking very cool. I can't waste my time. Well, we have to find something. So yeah, I got some like jean jackets, and I'll probably show them to you in the car because it's not worthy of a full-on thrift. Not a thrift haul. I actually just posted one this morning, which means it's up. I'll put a link in the thingamajigga for you. Then we have the stuff here. This stuff has to be tested and stuff like that. I have things like this, but I don't know. It's not for me. Okay, that's the clothing section. One picking selling around in the back, and they have some Zumba shake weights. Let's see what else they got here. A lot of things I just wouldn't get because my babies are so little and they touch everything. What is that? Baby trend? I don't even know. Oh, that's a car seat thingamajigga. That's a 2014 Walt Disney World picture frame. What is this? Do you know what this is? I have no clue what that is. Leave a comment below if you know what that is, because it's $50 and looks really old, and I don't know what it is. So let me know what it is. Rachel eating hash browns in the back, but I picked them up from McDonald's on the way because we didn't have a chance to eat breakfast, and we're gonna go back home. I'm gonna go ahead and draft this with the other things and photograph it while they play, because it's only 10 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, that was my thrifting of the day. I'm not going to any more stores. I'm gonna go ahead and do something with this stuff here. And yeah, thanks for shopping with me. See you guys later. I'm back. I'm in my bathroom. I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm tired. Oh yeah, Ron and Rachel didn't go to sleep until like 11:30, 12 o'clock last night, and then I got up at 4:30. And the night I always wake up at 4:30. That's not anything out the norm for me. That's my thing. But I'm usually not up until 11:30, chasing babies, stopping them from being noisy. So yeah, I look kind of tired. I'm gonna put some makeup on to kind of wake myself up. And then they're sleeping. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this. They're sleeping. I'm gonna let them sleep. And then I'm not a makeup guru. I always say that. I mean, this is how I do my makeup. Please don't like tell me I'm doing stuff wrong and stuff and all that good stuff, because I don't care. This is just what I do, how I do it, and I'm just doing something basic just to wake my face up a little bit, motivate me to complete this day. I don't know. My mirror is over there, so you got to see this. My bathroom is crazy small. It's actually not my bathroom, it's my kid's bathroom, but I use it because my real bathroom is really, really small. I don't even use that. My husband calls it his bathroom, but you can have it because that junk is small as heck. I don't even care. Don't judge me. I'm not funny. Please don't judge me. I say don't judge me because I'm really judging myself. Like I really have come to terms with every time I tell you guys not to judge me, it's because I'm really judging myself. So to soften the blow of me judging myself, I tell you not to judge me when it's really me judging me. You don't care how I do my makeup. It's me. Did not use primer. Do they have foundation that comes with the primer? I'm pretty sure they don't. But it would be convenient for moms like me if they did. But that would just be too much with formulations, I think, and it probably would just be like that. I've done on my channel a makeup tutorial. I don't know who I was tutorialing because I need a makeup tutorial myself, but horrible. It was really bad. I'm gonna actually go back and look at it because it was when I first started, and my junk was bad. Yeah, look how bad that is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Raven, you are horrible. Okay, somebody sent Jackie Arden to my house. Right now, how do I fix this? Because I don't know if I did that because I'm talking. Whatever. That doesn't exist. That one's better. Not really. That one was horrible. Woo! Looks really bright on there, but on here, it's okay. I feel better already, and all I did was put a dab on my foundation, some eyeliner, and some lip gloss on the lips. And thank you for watching my quick mom makeup tutorial. Don't do it though, because yeah, don't. There's other people you can follow their makeup tutorials. This one, no. This was just a chat with me and ramble jamble with Raven. I don't know. Okay, hey guys. Okay, my babies are sleeping, but I went to a thrift store today, which you saw in previous clips. Now I'm gonna show you what I got really, really quick. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So when I went, I didn't know what the prices were here. I had no idea. Most thrift stores, their shirts are no more than $4. Sometimes $2. Your regular ones. I hope you can hear me. I'm talking very low. Okay, so but I went and the guy was like, hey, we'll do you, we're doing a fill bag, we have no bag, so here, take it all. So yeah, I did pretty well. So okay, first blouse was a it's a cabbie blouse. Hey, using my tripod as a hanger thingy majigga. This says kazoo. Hold on 1 second because I wanted to look it up and see exactly what it was, but it's a size 2 and it was silk. But I like what I do to look for. If you're new to me and you're new to the eBay world or reselling world, what you would do if you wanted to find out who makes something, if it's worth buying, before you buy it, you would look it up on the eBay app and you will go to the search bar and you would just search it. So you're gonna put the word kazoo, K-A-Z-U, and I'm gonna put Kazoo Top, right? That's how you spell it, right? And then you're gonna put search, and then what you're gonna see is this. You're gonna see
that you've made a big mistake
in picking up this top, because did I spell it correctly? Yeah. So guess what? This is a bad buy. Kazoo. Yeah, bad buy, but it was part of a filler bag, so I probably paid nothing for it, like comparison to everything else I had. Why didn't I look it up when I was there? I was rushing.
Don't be like me. Look up your items before you buy them.
So this is just a plain silk blouse, so I'm still gonna list it, but I'm just gonna list it and it's gonna be a silk blouse, and I'm probably just gonna auction it off to get it out of my house. Next, this is I was gonna put it back, but I forgot, and like I said, the guy was like, here, take it all for nothing. He basically gave this stuff to me. This is a red tab Levi's thermal. Looks like it's a crop top, and it says Levi's in the back with these next 3 items free over, because I'm like, come on, Raina, stop leaving the daggone frame. That's just ridiculous. Okay, first one, which I think this is the Venzia. I'm gonna rush this a little bit. This is a Venzia size 26-28 jean jacket, and I thought this was so cute and perfect condition. And it's, who doesn't love a jean jacket? Jean jacket. I'm just joking. Okay, yeah, jean jacket, whatever. This is Talbot's Petite, and it's a 14. This is actually super cute. All buttons are there. I just saw something on Poshmark and I got a 2-star rating, and it said because the button was missing, and I felt so bad. I don't know how I got there. Buttons on this jacket, very cute. They're all here. They're not done, but yeah. Jean jacket season is here and coming, and that's a cute one. Yeah. My last find, which I think was the best one I've gotten, was this Patriots jersey. Another thing about this thrift store, they wash everything. There are 2 thrift stores in an area like this for me, and they wash all their clothes, and you can tell because when you walk in, it has had that thrift smell. So this, I think this thrift store I went to is also run by a church. So they employ people in the community that need help. They help like women's shelters, women and children. And I also find that that thrift stores that help local communities, they don't charge you as much for their stuff, which is very weird and backwards. Like places like, I love Goodwill. I do love Goodwill. I might go there, not tomorrow, Thursday. But they are Thursday, meaning today is Tuesday. You will probably be seeing this on Wednesday. But yeah. I find that the thrift stores that really help the community don't charge as much for their items, but sometimes if they find like really nice things, they charge up for them. I don't know, whatever. So this is the last item. Did I show it to you? Yes, the Patriots jersey. Element. I usually will pick up anything jersey related, and this is actually like a nice jersey. Only thing is like it's a salute to service one, so it's not like one of your more popular, like a regular jersey, but it's still. So that was my haul for today. Your favorite color?
Red.
I really like to
Color red.
color with red. I am afraid of
Nothing.
nothing. Rachel, got the green from the. Oh my gosh! Hey, Are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed? Rachel, that's not nice. Oh, hello, Caleb. Jared Caleb. Caleb, Jerome.
She always mixes up her names.
I'm sleepy. I've been for a very long time. I'm going to end it here so I can put Ryan and Rachel to bed. Thank you so much for watching if you're still here. See you tomorrow probably. Most likely.
Help us get to 1,000 followers.
Okay.
1,000 Instagram followers.
Instagram followers? Like I said, I'm ending it here. At the end of all my...
Help us get to 1,000 Instagram followers. Help us get to 1,000... Can you edit that out? Help us get to 1,000 YouTube followers.
Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you have not. If you're still here, thank you so much for sticking around with me today. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Ooh, look at that fingernail.
1,000 followers.